This is Praveen from Automation Home Blog. Last time we already discussed about auto wiring. In the current for this session, we will discuss about qualifier annotation in the Spring framework. So for this, you need to have a prerequisite understanding on IOC and dependency injection. If not, if you do not have on it, if you do not know about IOC and dependency injection, then go through my previous session videos and get idea on IOC and dependency injection. So just I'm taking the previous code which I have explained in the auto wiring concept. So this is my test class. So this is to test the car class. So in the car, um, let me remove this one and delete this battery class. Let me make it a simpler one. Let me delete this battery. So here I have an engine class, and the engine class I have a method, this test engine method, and I have a one setter method, and I'm setting the value engine model using the setter method, and this is my car class. And in the car class, I'm injecting the engine object with the help of auto wired. So this is my test class. Just I'm testing this method via car class. So I'm checking like a engine object is injected into the car class, and this is my XML file. I'm removing this one just to make it simple. So this is the car class, so I'm not adding any reference or anything. So this is the car class, this is the engine class, and this is the car. At the time of runtime, um, at the time of creating the object in the context, application context, the Spring framework will create this engine class and inject into the core class object. Last time we already discussed if this name in the engine, this name, variable name, and this ID, nothing but name, does not match, then it will inject based on the type. So this is the type, it's already there, and this type matches. So then it will inject this object in the core class. If you have a name, then it will inject base matching the name and both the names here. If both the names matches, then it will inject. So whether it is by name or type. So yeah. So I'm copying this one. If it is one is there, fine. If there are two objects are there, so at the time of runtime, the compiler does not know which object to be injected. Yeah. If you see here, just I copied whatever it's the beans information from the XML file and have pasted over here for understanding. So here there are two engine objects are there. So both names are different. If you see the name present in this one, okay, it does not matches with this one, and this one, the name does not matches with this one. So in that case, it will take by the type. So the type is same for both of this one. This one is type is same, and for this is also same, which is matching with the car engine. So it does not know which object to inject into the car instance. So what it does is, so it will throw an error. This already we have seen in the previous session. Let me run this one. So here we are able to see expected single matching bean, but found two. So here I do not want to change this name. One of my at the time of review, one of my teammates said, "Don't change this name. Okay, let the name should remain same, and don't change this name as well here as well. If the name both is same, then it will execute it. Okay, for example, say let me paste it as this one like this. So here, okay, if I change here, then it will run no matter because both the names matches here. Engine model 1 and engine model 1 both names matches, then it will execute it. I mean, it's able to execute the code. If you see it, now it's able to execute the code. Engine is working, means engine object is not null, so it's executing it. But my my teammate as part of the code review said don't change this name, let the name as it is. And here also, don't change this name, don't change this name, let the name is be model 1, but use this instance. So in that case, if you see here, both the instances are same, but it does not matches the none of the name does not match. I mean, name is not same when we compared in the class file, name is not same. So in that case, the type should be matching, but there are two objects of the same type, engine. So in that case, so Spring framework does not, I mean, it's not clear which object to use. So in that case, what I can do is, there is an option like I can give this one, use this engine class. I can say to the Spring framework to use this engine class. To say that, I need to mention this name, right? For this one, which one is qualifying? Now for that one, I can be saying that at the rate of here, at the rate of qualifier, and the name is here engine model 1. If we say qualifier at the name of engine model 1, so now if I run it, now if I run the program, so even though, since we have used the qualifier, even though both the objects or types are same, the preference will be given to this one. So the preference will be given to this one. Now let me run the program again. Now you see, so engine model 1. So nothing but this one is executed. If you want to use this one, then you can see set that qualifier is equal to engine model 2. Now you run, then this object is considered. Something like that. This one will be considered. Okay. So let me run the program now. Now you can see the engine model 2. So that engine object is the second object is injected into the car class. That's how the qualifier annotation works with in the Spring framework. Thanks for watching the demo. Have a nice day.